What is up, you guys? Dean here, and today, well, we are gonna be opening the iPad Pro. Yes, the iPad Pro. Now, why exactly did I get an iPad Pro? Well, because it's gonna take place of my laptop and everything else. And I'm just kidding. So apparently, like, people think that this can like take over like your MacBook. Just to let you know, I'm not all about that, okay? I'm not all about that. For me, what I think this iPad is really meant to do is work for like photography and like just like photo editing, not like video editing and whatnot. But I truly got I got the Apple Pencil, I've got the iPad, I got the 11-inch iPad, space gray. Because everybody knows I'm a space gray freak, so oopsie daisies! Like, I have space gray everything. So, let's slowly open up the pencil, just like, if you guys notice, I am, actually using the internal mic because my, the mic that I'm using right now, it kind of needs new batteries, so, and I really had to get this video out. So just listen. Just listen. Listen very indeed. Alright. So we're gonna open this up. Oh great. How do you open this? Oh, it's got like a little pull tab. Is it a pull? Oh, it is. Ooh. Says, can you focus, please? Focus! Said designed by Apple in California. That's amazing. Now, do I get Apple stickers? I know for some reason somebody said, oh, you get Apple stickers. No. No, you don't. You get all these stupid instructions. But here is the Apple Pencil. It's majestic. It's really... Now, I was actually thinking if I wanted the engraving of it, but, like, I'm like, no. No, Dane! You should not get the engraving of it. So, I didn't really get the engraving. So, here's the pencil. Oh, feels so good in my hands. Another box I get to keep. Amazing! Just like slide you back in there. And now, for the all moment y'all been waiting for. Just. Now they actually have these like little pull tabs on it, which is quite amazing. Now, will this replace my Macintosh? No. Will it help me do like better thumbnails? Yes, because it's actually a lot faster. Because the last iPad that I had, it was a iPad Air 2, and now this right here is the iPad. Come on, iPad 11. No, iPad Pro 11. Oh my god, I'm literally not talking straight today. Don't know why, but it's really concerning me that I'm not really talking the right way today. Like, I'm literally pausing. There it is! Now, I'm literally just gonna put this back in the box because, like, I'm actually getting a case for it. So. Oh, damn, this is thin as crap. Like, just look at it. It's all space gray and whatnot. Holy shit! Let me get some light in here. Well, that's better. Please get off me, sir. Okay. Oh, and this video is brought to you by Paper Lag. You know, you you put like a freaking film on your iPad, and it makes it feel like it's paper, so that you can get your drawing the right way. Yep, just had to get that out there. And they got the new brick as well. Amazing. Now I think this is a 13-watt power brick, so yeah. And the sad part is, it's really sad. I'm really sad now. Okay, so this iPad isn't bent. Like, that's literally what I'm scared about. And we got the USB Type-C. So, yeah, that's amazing. Anything else in the box? Probably not. But, hey. Who cares? Nobody really cares. Oh, my lord. So, I'm gonna go get the, this is amazing. The iPad's amazing. I never stop watching it on the YouTubes and whatnot, so there you have it. I'm gonna start doing thumbnails and whatnot, so comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. If you like the content, please leave a like and goodbye.